It's 94 today. We got 10 of these 2021 Leaf Holiday bonus packs. Yep, got more Leaf Holiday bonus packs, except these ones are definitely not searched. The last ones we opened yesterday, or at least I think yesterday, depending on when I upload these, but the last ones were probably searched. These ones I don't think are. These came straight from Blowout. Yeah, let's get into them. They come with one card. I don't know how you get them. Maybe buying Leaf stuff around Christmas time, I would guess. But anyway, they come with one card. It can be anything Leaf. Last time it was all Leaf Draft football because they were probably searched. But the other time they were all plates. Let's see what we start with here. Well, we start off with a Leaf Draft auto of Amon-Ra St. Brown, which isn't too bad. He's in the NFL. That's okay. It's already better than the last ones we opened, but I assure you that's not the only Leaf. That's we're not only going to get Leaf Draft autos in here. I can just feel by holding them. There's some difference in weight. Leaf Metal Draft, Kellen Mond. It's okay. Rookie quarterback autograph, Kellen Mond. Out of 75. 57 of 75. We're already winning. It's already better than before. See if it can beat the, I think, 2018 ones, where it was like Ohtani rookie plate and crazy plate quarterbacks. Holden Powell. I do not know who this guy is. Baseball. My knowledge of baseball prospects isn't great. This one feels a little heavy, so this one could definitely be a plate. And there's a plate. No, Pete Crow Armstrong. Okay, that's alright. 2020 Leaf Flash plate. Cool. That's probably one of a couple plates in here. Maybe 2 or 3. Might be another one in this pack. Yep. It is a Maurice Richard plate. It's okay. It's not bad. It's cool. From In the Game Used. Not bad. This might be another one. I know there's no patches or anything like that. None of these are super thick, but another plate. It's a triple. Gordie Howe, Ted Lindsay, and Alex Delvecchio. Yep. Got it. In the Game Used. Again, 2020-21. Apparently Terry Sawchuk's on here somewhere. I guess that's Terry Sawchuk peeking out. If it'll focus. Apparently that's Terry Sawchuk. It's a pretty good plate. Another plate. Brett Hull Pro Set Blaster jersey card plate. Cool. You can see what these usually come with when they're not searched. You're not going to get a bunch of Leaf Draft autos. It's a big mix of stuff. Another plate. Triple. Bobby Heenan, Roddy Piper, and Vince McMahon. Uh-oh. I would assume these are all Roddy Piper and Bobby Heenan are wrestlers. Or something like that. I don't know. From Leaf Ultimate Sport. Kind of a bad plate considering it doesn't have pictures of them on it, but it's better than a Leaf Draft auto. Leaf Draft. Osiris Mitchell. I don't know. Gold. And last pack. see what comes out of here. Ending off on a Leaf draft. Jabril Cox, blue. I think he's in the NFL. I recognize the name, but that was okay. A lot better than last time. Only 3 Leaf draft autos. No, 4. 4 Leaf draft autos out of 10 packs. A bunch of plates. 5 plates. You got the Kellen Mond metal draft out of 75. So yeah, there's a better look, a more accurate look at what comes out of these Leaf Holiday bonus packs. I will not suggest buying these on eBay. If you want to buy them on a blowout or something like that, if you get eBay, probably gonna end up with ones like these that I broke in my last video. So that is it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.